Hello, my name is Casey Sullivan, and I'm taking you through a tour of NFL.com. Up here at the top is showing the current scores of all the games that are taking place today on Sunday. Here at the top bar, there's news, scores, schedules, videos, teams, players, stats, standings, and inspire change, which is all topics you could click on and read more about or watch more about. Over here is NFL Network, which is the TV provider for NFL. NFL Films, which is just going to show you videos of NFL films. Fantasy, if you play fantasy football. Tickets, if you want to buy tickets. Shop, if you want to buy anything from the NFL shop, or sign in if you have an account. Scroll down, this is where you could track all the Week 3 games that are taking place, and you could watch them. Over here on the side is news, which is anything news going on in fantasy or my team, which is if you have an account you could sign and play fantasy, and these are players that you need to know about. Here's if you want to watch NFL Network Live, which where they'll talk about all the games that are currently taking place. What's trending is all the news that took place today before NFL football started. So it was like game picks, bowl predictions. Week 3 is all the highlights that have already happened up until this point for the games that are taking place today. Here's fantasy advice for if you need to make last-minute starts or benches to your roster. Down here you could visit here to register to vote. NFL has put that. Sunday Night Football, which is highlights and game predictions and clips of the first 2 weeks for the game that will be taking place tonight, which is between the Green Bay Packers and New Orleans Saints. Here's NFL throwback videos where they give lists or highlights of old players. And featured is just random videos that you may want to watch to make yourself more knowledgeable of the NFL. Thank you.